And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a simple cloud icon in Illustrator. We will use the rectangle to for that have a black fill and a stroke. And I drag this rectangle. Now I'll activate the ellipse tool. And I drag such an ellipse and then I use the arrow keys to reposition it. Let me create a new one. And another one, and we need a fourth one on the right side. Now activate the selection tool and resize and reposition it. And it already looks nice, but let me work on some details even more. And that's we can now select it all and use the shape builder tool to connect all of these shapes and make them one. There's a small little detail, I'll zoom in, connect it. Now we can select it all and resize it, holding Shift and Alt. Let us create a background with the ellipse tool. I hold Shift to have a perfect circle and then I center it properly. Let me give it a blue color. I use a default swatch. Maybe this looks fine. Now I'll put the clouds on top of it, right click, arrange and bring to front. Hold Shift and Alt and resize it slightly. And maybe I use the arrow keys to adjust it further. And now I give it a white color. Let me resize it holding Shift and Alt and I drag a copy out of it holding Alt. Now I'll select the clouds and I flip the colors so only the stroke has a white color and we have no fill, and I increase the stroke size. And this is how you can recreate these basic cloud icons in Illustrator. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.